you are doing well. Today we will know about the lesson, the Northern Mountains. The Northern Mountains. In the Northern Mountains include the Himalayan Mountains and Karakoram Mountains and also Purvachal Mountains. What are they? Himalayan Mountains, Karakoram Mountains, Purvachal Mountains. In these Himalayan Mountains, three ranges are there. In the Himalayas, three ranges are there. First one is Himadri. What is the range? First one, Himadri range, and second one is Himachal range, and third one is the Shivalik range. These are the three ranges in Himalayas. First one Himadri range and Himachal range. Last is the third one is Shivalik range. So we will know about these ranges in our textbook. We will continue the lesson in our textbook. This is our social text. Open the page number. Here the lesson, the Northern Mountains. Children, all of you, listen carefully and follow me. The Northern Mountains include the Himalayan and the Karakoram mountain ranges, the Purvachal hill ranges. First one, the Himalayas. The Himalayas stretch from Jammu and Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh. Underline, from Jammu and Kashmir to Himachal Pradesh. Snow covered. Most peaks remain snow covered throughout the year. The Mount Everest in the Himalayas is the highest peak in the world. Underline, all of you, Mount Everest is the highest peak in the Himalayas. It lies on the border between Nepal and China. It lies on the border between Nepal and China. The Himalayas consist of three parallel ranges. What are the ranges here? The Greater Himalayas, that means the Himadri, the Middle Himalayas, Himachal, and the Outer Himalayas, Shivalik. Once again, the Greater Himalayas are called Himadri range, the Middle Himalayas are called Himachal range, and the Outer Himalaya is called Shivalik range. Here some of the members here, they climbed the Mount Everest. Who's they? Edmund Hillary in New Zealand 1953, and Tenzing Norgay, Nepal in India 1953, and Junko Tabi, Japan 1975, and Bachendri Pal, India 1984, Eric Wenmeyer, USA 2001. These people have climbed the Mount Everest. On the page, all of you. Here the mountain ranges, Karakoram mountain ranges, and here this is the Himalayas. Here Mount Everest. This is the picture of Mount Everest, and here Purvachal hill ranges. Next one, Northern Plains and Southern Plateaus are there. First of all, we will know the Greater Himalaya. The Greater Himalaya is in the extreme north. The Greater Himalaya is in the extreme north. It is the highest of the three ranges. The Greater Himalaya is the highest of the three ranges. It remains covered with snow throughout the year. Glaciers are found in these mountains. Glacier means snow falling. Many rivers such as Indus, Ganga, Yamuna and Brahmaputra originate from these glaciers. Underline the rivers Ganga, Yamuna, Indus and Brahmaputra. Kanchenjunga is a very high peak in this range. Kanchenjunga is the very high peak in this range. Next one, these are the Greater Himalayas. Second one is the Middle Himalaya. The Middle Himalaya lies towards the south of the Greater Himalaya. It is lower height than the Greater Himalaya. The mountain slopes are covered with thick forests of pine, fir and deodar. Underline the forest pine, fir and deodar. Hill stations such as Shimla, Nainital and Darjeeling are situated here. In the Middle Himalayas, the hill stations are Shimla, Nainital and Darjeeling. Underline these names. And here look at the picture. A glacier is slow moving river of ice and snow. Here this one glacier. The snow is melt and form as a glacier. Next, the outer Himalaya. Third one is the outer Himalaya. That means Shivalik Himalaya we also call. The outer Himalaya is located south of the middle Himalaya. It is the lowest in height. This range is covered with forests. Many wild animals are found in these forests. Next mountain range is Karakoram Mountains. To the northwest of the Himalayas, beyond river Indus, lies the Karakoram range. Mount Godwin Austen K2 lies in this range. In the Karakoram Mountains, here Mount Godwin Austen K2 lies in this range. It is the highest peak. Underline the Mount Godwin Austen. It is the highest peak in Karakoram ranges, India, and the second highest peak in the world. Next, life in the region. In the Himalayas, we have to see life in the region. Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh lie in the Himalayas and the Karakoram range. Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh lie in the Himalaya and the Karakoram range. Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, Darjeeling in West Bengal and some part of Arunachal Pradesh are in the Himalayas. Underline these names ma. Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, Darjeeling in West Bengal and Arunachal Pradesh are in the Himalayas. Next, main occupation in the Himalayan people, in the Jammu Kashmir people, farming. Farming is the main occupation of the people. Underline farming. Due to lack of plain land, farmers have cut steps or terrace along the slopes. On these steps, they grow rice, maize, barley and potatoes. These are the crops the people farming here: rice, maize, barley and potatoes. Underline these. Such farming is called terrace farming. Those farmings are called terrace farming. Underline that one. Some people also engage in sheep rearing and wood carving. Other occupations of these people are sheep rearing and wood carving. Underline this. Here terrace farming in popular in the hills. These are the terrace farming. In this way they are grow crops like here terrace farming. Turn the page. They also wear colorful shawls. The double-humped camel is only found here in India. The Janskar Valley, Pangong Lake and Leh Place are a few places of tourist interest. Underline the Janskar Valley, Pangong Lake and Leh Place are a few places of tourist interest. So children, you have to read the lesson carefully. We will meet on next class. Thank you.